The key trend to my mind is that the startup ecosystem and the kind of companies that are getting built in India is very, very inspiring. We need, given our population, the kind of demographic that we have, we do need startups in every sector, whether it's D2C, whether it's AI deep tech, whether it is mobility, whether it's fintech. So every part of the ecosystem is important because each vertical is fulfilling a gap in the market, and ultimately the market is the final arbitrator of what is right or wrong in terms of the company itself or the segment that is addressing. So I think what has it shown is that you can have this kind of diversity of sectors, which is the strength of a country like India. We have diversity of regions as well. So unlike in the US where you have only the Silicon Valley, we have the Delhi NCR ecosystem, you have Bombay, you have Bangalore, you have Chennai, and other new sort of ecosystems are developing. And it's very important for us. I mean, anything that's concentrated is not good. Tricom Capital is looking at founders and not sectors, because for us founders matter far, far more than sectors do. And the reason for that is that a great founder can build a great company, and often there's a bit of discovery when a founder comes with a certain sort of segment that it's they are trying to address. So by the time the company really reaches some level of maturity or product market fit, the sector may not be where they started from. And as an investor, we are okay with that, because it's important that the founder gets the space to find their sort of sweet spot to build the company. So the most important part for any country, and if you look at the US, which is the place where venture capital took birth, is that without domestic capital and adequate domestic capital getting unlocked, you will have these ups and downs. We were dependent a lot on foreign VCs. So Tiger, SoftBank, Sequoia stepped out of India. So the minute the big international guys have responded to their own sort of challenges, I mean, it had nothing to do with the promise of the Indian market. Obviously, a bulk of that capital went out, which is why domestic capital is important, because domestic capital will respond to the India market opportunity as opposed to responding to their home markets or other sort of geopolitical compulsions that they may feel are important for them to address. And I think that's why we need domestic capital. And there is still very little capital actually available. So, in a sense, the funding winter has put a spotlight on the fact that we need much more domestic capital. So when you're part of the planning and you're part of the team that sort of was there from the beginning, which gave birth to this event, you always want to achieve more, you want to do better, because that's the, I would say, founder mindset, right? I think it's gone off very, very well. People are happy, people are having a lot of interactions, which is important to have. Can it be better? Of course, because there's always some learning, because when you do an event of this size and scale and magnitude, which hasn't happened in the startup ecosystem up until now, so there will be learnings. And I think for next year, it's always good to have some input and learning to sort of improve upon.